Good morning, everyone. Good morning, class. Ethan here, and we will now talk about patterns in nature. So, what are patterns? Patterns are visible regularities of form which you can find in the natural world and in various contexts. And some patterns are modeled mathematically. They are also symmetrical. Natural patterns include symmetries, trees, spirals, meanders, waves, leaves, cracks, stripes, and fractals, among others. Patterns in nature also can also release tension and foster relaxation. Just by looking at leaves and other patterns in nature, we are able to relax. Here now are some examples of patterns flashed on your screen. Number one shows the stripes of the zebra. Number two shows the sunflower. Number three shows the peacock, the feather of the peacock. The snail's shell in number four consists of spirals, which are also in the golden ratio. As you can see, the golden ratio is visualized by a spiral. As you can see, the golden ratio is also represented by a spiral. As you can see in this scene from Frozen, the chair has a distinct pattern of diamonds, and Anna's dress has a distinct pattern of flowers. Even seashells have a pattern like those in Ariel's bra. I hope you learned something, and thank you for listening.